Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to reset your CoinStats account's password. So let's go ahead and get started right away. Open a web browser and into the URL box type in coinstats.app and press enter. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the official website for CoinStats. So go ahead and click on the login button at the top right hand corner, which will then bring up the login page. You'll then need to enter your email or username followed by your account's password. If you don't remember your password, simply click on the forgot password link in order to reset your password. Now enter the email address registered with your CoinStats account and click on confirm. You will then receive an email with a link for your password recovery. So go ahead and open up a new tab and log into your email inbox. You will then receive a password reset email from CoinStats. Click it open from your inbox and click on reset password. This will then take you to this page where you can set up a new password for your CoinStats account. Type in the new password and make sure to meet these criteria on the right while creating a password for yourself. Make sure your password contains at least 6 characters and make sure it includes symbols, numbers and letters. After you are done, click on confirm and you will be able to reset to a new password on CoinStats. Next time you log into your account, remember to enter the new password along with your email address. So that is how you can easily reset to a new password if you've forgotten your password during logging in to CoinStats. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.